In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you a very useful way on how to pin Gmail to taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, before we can pin it to the taskbar or to add it to the taskbar, we need to create a shortcut for Gmail first. So how we can do so, please navigate at the button search bar here and type for Gmail. Once you're done typing, please wait until a basma should appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on this open file location, which is next to run as administrator. So eventually you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click and go with this copy icon. So make sure that under the type it is here in the shortcut. So if you in your case it is not being set as shortcut under the type, all you need to do is you need to make a right click, go with show more options. Okay. And from here, go with create a shortcut. So in that way, you would be able to create a shortcut for Gmail. Okay. Since I have already a shortcut here for Gmail, it's assigning here under the type, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with this copy icon. Once you've copied it, close the window. Here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon, and eventually it will be pasted here at the desktop. So since the target of this video is to add or to pin it to the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to make a right click, and from here you need to proceed with show more options, and this kind of window would appear. Please click on Pin to Taskbar, which is next to Scan with Microsoft Defender. So click on it, and eventually it will showing up here, meaning you have successfully pinned it or added to the taskbar. Okay, so you can simply access your Gmail by simply tapping here at the taskbar. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.